Raising 100 broilers in your backyard isn't just about putting food on your table. It's a smart business move that can transform your financial future. Welcome to Smart Agri Hub, where we unlock the secrets of modern backyard farming and show you how to turn a simple poultry venture into a profitable enterprise. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a total beginner, this guide will walk you through every step from day-old chicks to cash in your pocket. If you're ready to get rich raising broilers, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the power of broiler farming. Broilers are chickens bred specifically for meat production, and with the right approach, raising them can be fast, efficient, and lucrative. Why 100 broilers? It's the sweet spot for backyard farmers. Manageable for beginners, large enough for serious profits, and scalable as your business grows. The demand for fresh, high-quality chicken meat is always high, and with a smart system, you can tap into local markets and earn impressive returns. Before you start, preparation is key. Choose a location that's safe, secure, and easy to manage. Your backyard doesn't need to be huge, but it does need to be clean and well ventilated. Broilers require space to grow, so plan for at least 1 square foot per bird. Build a simple but sturdy poultry house using locally available materials. Wood, bamboo, or metal sheets all work well. Make sure the coop is predator-proof with good drainage to keep the floor dry. Proper shelter is the foundation of healthy birds and high profits. Next, sourcing quality chicks is crucial. Always buy from reputable hatcheries or suppliers and look for fast-growing, disease-free day-old chicks. Healthy chicks are alert, active, and free of deformities. When your chicks arrive, place them in a brooder, a warm, enclosed space where you can control the temperature. For the first week, keep the temperature around 32 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and gradually reduce it as they grow. Use clean wood shavings or rice husks as bedding, and change it regularly to keep ammonia levels low. Feeding is the biggest factor in broiler growth and profitability. Invest in high-quality commercial feed, starter feed for the first 3 weeks, grower feed from week 4 to 6, and finisher feed in the last 2 weeks. Broilers are ready for market in just 6 to 8 weeks if fed correctly. Always provide clean, fresh water. Dehydration can stunt growth and increase mortality. You can use automatic drinkers to save time and ensure every bird gets enough water. But feeding isn't just about quantity, it's about smart management. Feed your broilers at regular intervals and monitor their growth. Weigh a sample of birds weekly and adjust feed quantities as needed. Watch for signs of illness. Healthy broilers are active with bright eyes and clean feathers. If you notice drooping wings, lethargy, or abnormal droppings, act fast. Consult a local vet, isolate sick birds, and maintain strict biosecurity. Prevention is better than cure, and healthy flocks mean healthy profits. Let's talk numbers. If you start with 100 chicks, you can expect a survival rate of 95% with good management. So, roughly 95 birds ready for sale. Each broiler reaches an average weight of 2 kilograms by harvest time. In many markets, broiler meat sells for a premium, especially if your chickens are fresh and locally raised. Do your research. Identify buyers before you start. Restaurants, hotels, local markets, and neighbors are all excellent customers. Consider offering home delivery or pre-orders to boost your income. The real secret to getting rich with broilers is maximizing efficiency. Manage your costs, buy feed in bulk, use energy-saving bulbs in your coop, and recycle bedding as compost. Keep records of every expense and sale. Track your profits and reinvest in your business to grow even bigger next cycle. Use simple technology, mobile apps, spreadsheets, or notebooks to stay organized. Marketing is your next big step. Don't just sell chicken, sell quality, freshness, and trust. Use social media to showcase your farm, post videos of your healthy birds, and engage with potential customers. Share testimonials from happy buyers, photos of your clean coop, and recipes featuring your chicken. Build a brand around your backyard farm, and let your community know you offer the best broilers in town. For those who want to go even further, consider value addition. Process your birds into cuts, breasts, thighs, wings, or smoked and marinated products. These command higher prices and open doors to supermarkets and specialty stores. Package your meat attractively, use eco-friendly materials, and guarantee freshness. The more you innovate, the more you earn. Let's address common challenges. Disease outbreaks can devastate your flock, so vaccinate your chicks against major diseases like Newcastle and Gumboro. Keep strict hygiene, wash feeders and drinkers daily, restrict visitors, and change clothes before entering the coop. Heat stress is another risk, especially in hot climates. Use fans or open windows for ventilation and provide shaded areas. Cold snaps require extra bedding and heat lamps. Always be prepared to adapt and protect your investment. If you're worried about startup costs, remember, broiler farming is one of the fastest ways to earn back your investment. Chicks, feed, and basic equipment are affordable, and you can start small. Many successful farmers began with just 20 birds and expanded as profits rolled in. With 100 broilers, you're already on the path to serious income. Networking is key. Join local farmer groups, attend poultry workshops, and connect with agricultural extension officers. Learn from experienced farmers, share tips, and stay updated on new techniques. The Smart Agri Hub community is full of innovators who started just like you. By working together and sharing knowledge, you'll overcome challenges and seize new opportunities. At the end of your broiler cycle, calculate your total costs: chicks, feed, medications, labor, and utilities. Subtract that from your sales income to find your net profit. With careful planning, you can double or even triple your investment in just 8 weeks. Repeat the cycle, expand your flock, and scale up your business. Broiler farming is not just a side hustle. It's a gateway to financial independence. Let's recap the key steps to raising 100 broilers and getting rich. Prepare your coop, buy healthy chicks, feed them well, maintain strict hygiene, market your product, and reinvest for growth. With passion, discipline, and smart management, you can turn your backyard into a thriving broiler business. Take action today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is now. Thank you for joining Smart Agri Hub. If you found this guide useful, share it with friends, subscribe for more tips, and leave your questions in the comments. Together, we're building a community of smart, successful farmers. Start your journey, raise your broilers, and unlock your path to riches.